Hello children, have you seen this before? Definitely everyone has seen this. Why we use that? We get that with the medicine to measure how much amount we have to take. So you can see the readings on it. It is 3 ml. I hope you can see 3 ml, 6 ml, 10 ml and 14 ml. So that means this is the amount of liquid that they can hold on. Similarly, you came to know about different things in our life, like this tumbler. It can carry water or the liquid up to 450 ml. This we have already seen 13 ml. Fine. Means amount of liquid that they can carry. So this comes under the topic of capacity. So this is the topic that we are going to study today, capacity. So let's start. So capacity is basically the amount of liquid in a particular jar or the bottle or the container or the cup, measuring cup. Fine. So how we are going to measure it? In liters or milliliters. Liter is a big unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. Fine. So we have studied 1 liter equal to 1000 ml earlier also. So we write it like LITRE, liter. Fine. And milliliter, MILLI, milliliter, LITRE, milliliter. So these are the basic two units of capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now first thing that comes under this is conversions. So convert 2 liter 500 milliliter into ml, milliliter. So it is in the liter, it is already in the milliliter. So no need to convert it. Now we have already studied 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter will be 2 multiplied by 1000 equal to 2000 milliliter. Now this is already in ml. So we are going to add it with 2000. So sorry, it was 500. Fine. So it is 005 and 2 milliliter. Fine. So 2500 milliliter is the answer. Next, 3759 ml into liter and ml. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So how many zeros are there? 3. So start counting from 1's digit, 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 3 liter and 759 milliliter. Fine. So same we have done earlier also in case of weight and in case of length. Same is here. We have to count from one place number of digits 3 and then again get the answer. Now next thing is addition and subtraction. Addition, write down column wise first, liter and milliliter. Fine. So liter is 12 liter and milliliter is 6, 1 and 5. Here it is 19 and this is 92. Simply add them, you know the addition. 5 plus 2, 7, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 will go here, 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 will go here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And the subtraction, this will be liter and milliliter, the same way we have done earlier. So it will be 32 and 159 and this is 21 and 970. Now subtract them. Let's start. 9 minus 0 is 9. We cannot subtract 7 from 15, that means we have to borrow So it will be 15, it will be 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. 0, we cannot subtract 9 from 0, so we will have to borrow. So it will be 1 and it will be 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So simple subtraction and addition as we have done earlier. The same thing will be repeated here also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.